Hi, I'm Kathy Sullivan. I'm really delighted to be talking with you today, unfortunately by video, about a project that I think is very important for the Space Coast and really exciting to be a part of, and that of course is Exploration Park. Probably most of you know I'm a former NASA type myself, a veteran of 3 shuttle flights. So of course I've got 3 launches that I remember fondly from the Kennedy Space Center, and even in my case 2 landings. So being a part of this team and working with you in the years ahead has a wonderful dimension to me of coming home. A chance to see some of my NASA friends and colleagues again, obviously a chance to help a place that will always have a fond spot in my heart to grow and thrive in the new century that we're embarking on now. There's another sense in which joining this team brings me back home, and that is with the Pizzuti companies. I've had mainly a personal relationship with Ann and Ron Pizzuti for many, many years now. So it's very special for me to get to join one of their efforts as a science and technology advisor and actually contribute to the great work that their companies do. I've appreciated getting to start with the Pizzuti companies team at the very earliest stages of their concepting around the site, the layout, and the basic outlines of a program plan. I love nothing better than to get to be a plank owner on something that's going to go forward to great voyages of success and discovery, and I believe that's what's going to happen at Exploration Park. It's exciting to me to see some of the land in the Space Center complex really now taking new form, serving new purposes, and helping the Central Space Coast grow and thrive in the century that's ahead. But it's also exciting to carry something through and help it realize all the potential that you can envision in it when it's just a concept on the drawing boards. So I'm especially happy that the Pizzuti companies have asked me to stay on and keep my role as science and technology advisor, extending through the life of the project and across to the business development interface. That's where the real success of this project will lie. If Exploration Park is going to deliver on the promise that you see for it, and that we certainly see for it, it will do so because we really come together and work in very effective partnership to get out into the community, out into the country, out indeed across the globe, and find the individuals and the firms that can recognize the opportunity that this unique site affords. We need to talk with them, work with them, help them understand what it can mean to have a research and technology and education opportunity, a locale, in such proximity to a premier launch site. We need to help them understand what benefits being at Exploration Park affords them in terms of working with Space Florida and indeed with the state of Florida itself. We need to help them understand what it means to work with NASA and indeed expedite those interfaces for them. And we need to help them see how the partnership of Pizzuti companies and Space Florida gives them a powerful commercialization advantage that they'd be hard-pressed to find in other places. I believe this site and the team assembled to bring it forward to real construction and fruition offers the individuals and firms many opportunities, many promises in all those domains, and I think we can deliver on them. So I'm excited to have the opportunity to work forward throughout time with all of you and make sure that we serve those clients well, find the good folks and bring them here. That role as liaison and advisor is a very intriguing one to me. I'm sure I will learn a lot from all of you in delivering on it, and I look forward to working together through the years ahead. I think there's a fabulous promise here, and I think it's an important opportunity for the Space Coast to have this kind of new development spawning right in the heart of the Kennedy Space Center complex in the first decade of this century. It's a great opportunity and a great responsibility I think we can deliver together to this region and to the economic betterment of all of its citizens and in fact all of Florida itself. So thank you for giving me allowances on my calendar and letting me join you by video instead of in person today, but I really do look forward to being at next meetings with you face to face, getting to know you better and digging into these thoughts about how we really deliver on the potential of this very exciting and important project.